Gibson, registered dietitian and area nutrition agent with the LSU AgCenter. Nutrition information is everywhere, so it can seem pretty overwhelming to eat a nutritious, healthy diet. During these videos, I'll be going over different food groups and showing the health benefits of each. Let me introduce you to MyPlate. MyPlate is a healthy eating guide that shows us how to eat a balanced meal. Today, we're going to be talking about the food group protein. And then, I'm going to show you how to make these black bean burgers. Protein is important because it offers many health benefits such as improving nutrient intake and building and repairing tissue. Depending on age, we need anywhere from 2 to 6.5 ounces per day. While we typically tend to eat enough protein, we need to make sure we are choosing the right sources. Lean proteins are low in saturated fat and include poultry, seafood, eggs, nuts, seeds, peas, and beans. Today we're going to make an easy black bean burger. This recipe serves 4 and costs only around 27 cents to make. You can easily double the recipe and freeze the uncooked patties for a quick meal prep. Let's get started. You will need 1 can low sodium black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 egg beaten, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup onion, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon oil, and your optional toppings. Cutting an onion is really easy. Leaving the root intact, cut the opposite side of the onion. Then, with the root end facing up, cut the onion in half through the root. After peeling the onion, make a long horizontal cut through the onion, stopping at the root. Now make vertical cut, stopping at the root. Now chop the onion the size that you want. And always remember to keep your fingers away from the blade. First, start by mashing your beans. Use a fork until it forms a paste. Add in an egg, breadcrumbs, onion, pepper, and oil together until it's combined. Shape it into 4-inch patties. After touching anything with raw eggs, it's really important to make sure we wash our hands. Spray your cooking surface with nonstick cooking spray and heat your skillet over medium heat. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on one side and then 4 minutes on the other. Now it's assembly time. I chose my toppings because of what was available at the farmer's market. You can add whatever healthy toppings you'd like. The LSU AgCenter offers free SNAP-Ed nutrition programs. For more information, contact Amanda Gibson with the LSU AgCenter.